appearance in childhood. Did really appearance in childhood.
You ain't felt pain, man.
And it just keeps on getting worse. I'm only 26, twice I dodged that hearse. And just one last night felt so much worse. So, got it in the sky, and my mama high on ice. Let me get up in the eye and told me she didn't give a fuck if I live or die.
No, she didn't give a fuck if I lived or died. So what I did, I just turned around, grabbed my fucking life, and I said, okay, bitch, well, when I'm in the ground, you can be the one they blame. So go ahead and slit my vein. And I know that shit might sound a little weak, but it wasn't because I didn't want to be living. Nah, it was because I wanted her to feel the fucking pain that I felt inside. Everything that she did to me since I was fucking 13. Straight fucking selfish, bitch. I don't even know why I even care for you anymore. Yeah, I know this might be the fucking hardest song that you can listen to, because you never felt the struggle that I've always been going through. And I don't give a fuck if you think I won't make it too. And when I pull up in the fucking drop top with your girl, oh flip flop, nah, not me. Originality is what I be. I don't give a fuck if you like it. I don't give a fuck if you are dyking. I don't give a fuck. I just hope the one that need to feel me and they don't.
It just keeps on getting worse. I'm only 26, twice I dodged that hearse. And just one last night felt so much worse. So, got it in the sky, and my mama high on ice. Let me get up in the eye and told me she didn't give a fuck if I live or die.
Well, you know, I guess that's just the struggle that I was fucking dealt. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna call and bet $22,000. Nah, 22 billion that I'ma be up in the top of the building. I'm talking about I'ma run this shit straight up in the fucking drought. Yeah, I control the streets because I was created out of bubbling ice. Oh, I flipped that, man, that's right, bitch. I don't give a fuck if I'm ruining your life. You should be a grown-up and go ahead and give a fuck about your own child. Hey, cause mine didn't, so that's why I'm living. That's why I'm a product of my environment. So I don't give a fuck if you know what I've been hiding. Bricks up in my room. I broke that shit down and became a goon. I might have been something good, I might have been something nice, but I don't really have control of my life. That would be your God, right? But he ain't here for me, never has been. If he has, then he didn't like me, because he killed everything that I was loving. And
it just keeps on getting worse.